Now coming to contact forces, first type is muscular force. All the actions what we perform in day-to-day life, brushing, eating, bathing, writing, driving and walking, we have to exert a force. Do you know from where this force comes from? The force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Even when we smile, our muscles exert force to bring changes in our face. Human beings and animals use muscular forces to carry out their regular physical activities. Muscular forces can be exerted only through contact. So this muscular force is known as is an example for contact force. Muscular forces that are responsible for various actions that takes place inside our body like blood circulation, expansion and contraction of lungs during breathing and heartbeat. Sure, you observe a person is using a dumbbell and he lifts the dumbbell in different ways. While he is doing this exercise, his muscles is going to be shortened. The term muscle refers to multiple bundles of muscle cells held together. Muscles are normally arranged in such a way that as one group of muscles contract or shortens, another group relaxes or expands. For example, if you throw a ball, the muscles in the chest and the front side of the shoulder lengthens to pull the arm forward, while the muscles in the back and rear of the shoulder undergo contraction to slow down the motion. So once again I'll define the muscular force definition. The force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. So muscular forces can be exerted only through contact. The examples are brushing, bathing, eating, writing, driving and walking. Now coming to the next type of force, that is normal force. Place your science textbook on the table or any other textbook on the table. Is this in a state of rest? Is there any force acting on that table? Imagine that the table has disappeared suddenly by magic. What will happen then? It will fall down due to gravitational pull of the earth. Even when a book is lying on the table, the gravity pulls the book down all the time, but it does not fall down because it is supported by the table. Therefore, there exists a force which supports the book against gravity by pushing it upward. Now, if you observe the picture, a book is lying on the table. So, a direction which is perpendicular to the plane of a surface is said to be normal. Force that a solid surface exert on any of an object in the normal direction is called a normal force, and it is represented by Fn. In the above example, the downward gravitational force is balanced by upward normal force. Since these two forces are equal in magnitude and acting in opposite direction, we say that net force acting on the book is zero and the book is in equilibrium. Here, the gravitational force is represented by Fg. In the picture, you have observed a stone of mass m is tied with a rope. For a straight tone to the rope, gravity pulls down the stone all the time, but it does not fall down because it is supported by the rope. So thus there exists a force which supports the stone against the gravity by pulling it upward. This force is called tension, which always pulls the body along the rope or thread. Here the tension is a contact force. The tightness of a rope or a thread is called tension. So I'm going to define what is tension. Tension can be defined as an action-reaction pair of the forces acting at each other. In the diagram, we see that weight acting downwards whereas tension T is acting